In a growing political standoff, Arizona Attorney General Kris Mayes has threatened U.S. House Speaker Mike Johnson with legal action after he failed to swear in Democratic Representative-elect Adelita Grijalva. Grijalva recently won the special election to fill the seat left vacant after the passing of her father, a longtime Arizona lawmaker. In a sharply worded letter dated October 14, Attorney General Mayes demanded that Speaker Johnson immediately administer the oath of office to Grijalva or face potential legal consequences. Mayes warned that delaying her swearing in any further or failing to explain when it will happen would prompt legal action from her office. Speaker Johnson, however, told reporters during an October 14 press conference that Grijalva would be sworn in only after the government shutdown ends and the House reconvenes. He emphasized that Grijalva deserves the full ceremonial treatment before a complete chamber of lawmakers, something that's not possible while Congress remains out of session. But as the government shutdown drags on with no resolution in sight, frustration is growing. Negotiations between Republicans and Democrats remain at a standstill, with both chambers of Congress locked in a funding stalemate. In her letter, Kris Mayes insisted that Grijalva's swearing in must be immediate and prior to the date the House returns to regular session. She gave Speaker Johnson 2 days to confirm when and where the ceremony would take place, warning that failure to respond would force her office to seek judicial relief on behalf of Arizona's 7th Congressional District. Grijalva's victory in the September 23 special election made her the new representative for a district that spans nearly Arizona's entire border with Mexico. Her seat carries additional importance. She holds the deciding signature on a petition that could force a vote on releasing documents tied to sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. Without her swearing in, that effort remains frozen. Democrats now accuse Johnson of deliberately delaying the process to stall the Epstein files bill. Johnson denies the claim, saying the measure is unnecessary after a congressional committee released over 33,000 pages of related records in early September. In a statement to USA Today, Johnson reaffirmed that the House will follow customary practice and swear in Representative-elect Grijalva once it returns to legislative session. But Grijalva herself expressed growing frustration, noting that previous members in similar circumstances were sworn in immediately, even before their election certifications were finalized. She described the situation as deeply disappointing, suggesting that the delay sends a troubling message that if the speaker disagrees with a member's politics, he can simply drag his feet on their swearing in. As the clock ticks and political tensions rise, Arizona officials are watching closely. Whether Mayes will take the unprecedented step of suing the Speaker of the House remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: this standoff has pushed the boundaries of congressional tradition and state authority like never before. If you found this breakdown informative, don't forget to hit subscribe and join InsightPulse for more sharp, fact-driven updates on U.S. politics and world affairs. Stay informed, stay aware.